Hi, I'm Deathlake. In this video I'm going to be going through this Birmingham Pride haul. So first off is this t-shirt and a bunch of stickers I got from the parade. That looks like. And then it's just a volunteer at the back. Got this little crew wristband. A pen from Rainbow. Attraction World Group. A lanyard with a whistle. The lanyard says Birmingham Foster Birmingham, adopt Birmingham Foster. Another badge that says Central Co-op. This says savinglivesco.uk.com. So this chocolate, because of the summer, it has melted in my bag. Whisper Duos. This was from Cadbury. A bag of candy, Haribo Tangtastics. I think this was from the parade. A they them badge from Switchboard LGBT. Freedom. A pencil that says Birmingham City, I think, University. Savinglives.co.uk.com. This is what the mints look like. A bag of candy from Spin the Wheel from Co-op. From the Lidl store, that was quite interesting. Because they had this bag. They also was giving away these just sticks of fruit, so I had some of that. That was quite good thingy. So that was quite tasty and so that was quite refreshing. They also had a bike blender thing, so you could try a little sample of the drinks where if you bike the thing. So in this bag was dried mango, alsasto, a carton of juice, and then a bunch of vouchers that says £5 off when you spend £25 or more in your local Lidl at uk.com. Highlighters. I think these were more stickers from the parade. Got a Midlands Heart, a little postcard thing, so it's a scan QR code. This is the show guide on the day Pride guide, Birmingham. So these were the acts, Smithfield Live, the Sunday, street party map. Oh, some Korean restaurant, which is close by. Group. Some candy. A coin, a pen. I think that's the same sticker. Some neat book. Savinglives.co.uk notebook. And then another notebook. And then another drawing pad. It's like a little plain paper pad. And then I got this from a drink, which is for Use Me. Also this free burger and chips meal for volunteering. Rainbow lanyard thing. Also got this tote bag. This either it's a W or an M wristband. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page for more content, and please do comment below your experience of Pride or your... Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page for more content, and please do comment below your experience of Pride. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page for more content, and please do comment below your experience of Pride.